guys, this is your boy, the entertainer. We are here now. This is Zakes. It's bigger, it's better, it's even greater, guys. It's so lit. This is the official opening of Zakes. Come here and take whatever you have. Come to Zakes. If you're not here with us right now, you are in the wrong place. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the official opening. It's lit, it's bigger, it's better. So guys, I want to have a chat with a few people which are here, so they need to tell us about the experience of what they really experienced today. Wow, so much energy! Is Zakes that good? How are you doing, guys? I'm by the way, and this is simple as that, guys. This is us. This is them. This is them. So, guys, thanks for coming to this place. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, we did.
Who's complaining? Who's complaining? Why are you still here? Why are you still here if you're complaining? So, guys, did you enjoy the food?
Oh, the food was fun.
The music.
Woo, meat. Chicken. Give me chicken. Give me meat.
I'll be back to you right now. Wow. So the vibe is really good, huh? You don't want to go anywhere. You don't have any complaints? You enjoying the food, the music, the vibe? Everything is perfect. Ah, you guys are perfect. Enjoy your time. Hi guys, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm good. How is it? Are you enjoying the place? Any complaints?
I think so far we're enjoying it.
The food, oh, everything perfect. Ah, they're really doing a good job. Yeah, enjoy. How's the place since you've been here? How long have you been here? 2 hours. So since you're here, I'm suggesting that you're enjoying the place. It's good. And it's good. Okay. Thanks for your input. Sure. So yeah. So I tried talking to a few people. They told us how they really feel about the place. So no one is complaining up to so far. I just want to show you around. There's this guy here, he's wearing This guy really has to tell us something. He can't be looking like this and he doesn't even give an input. How's it?
No, I'm great, thanks.
Sure.
I'm the
entertainer and I suggest that you are the crew. You work here or something.
Of course.
Oh, what do you have to tell these people watching you there at home?
So Zakes, guys, is a newborn baby. We're making things happen. This is the new Maboneng. People are enjoying themselves. African food all the way. We're enjoying ourselves. So yeah, that's basically it.
Oh, so you grill all types of food, meat, quotas,
Monotrana. Don't leave monotrana. It's a very key item that we sell.
Do you have that brown pap with pimples?
It's a thing on Mabele.
You have worms.
Actually, we call it masoja.
Oh, masoja.
Yeah, but there's when people that come here that we don't know, we call it worms.
Worms. Oh,
if you say worms, it's going to frighten them. We call it worms.
I'll come back to you. We'll speak more often. Sure. Guys, let's go. We're still not done. We have other people here around. I'm thinking of talking to these guys right here. So can you turn around and join me? How's it taste? Sharp. I'm the entertainer and I'm just reviewing the place around. So mind if I have a chat with you guys? That's part of it. Very good. Ngizozama ukuthi Kyabulela nje. Okay, ciao. Since Lilimo, so era gore botsebotse go se ka gore a le tsamaya ke bo le lengala dijo shitse gona di terror le sa tlo tlhapa so go jwang music dijo how's the overview or actually ja you're right chila yeah everything is perfect awa
Mabela re mbongone
ditseng gore
Mabela re mbongone
guys, so you can see what I feel like everyone is having the same input. They're enjoying themselves. They're having a thumbs up for the place. So let's go inside. I feel like, but the table is empty inside here. So from here, I feel like we should go. Let's go. Come. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hi guys, good. Did you eat? Or wish I came later. I want to see what you guys eating. So, how's the place? How's the place?
Anyway, so far so good. The service was good. Delivery was good. Everything top notch.
You don't make one in this place.
The unfortunate part is that time is not on my schedule. But at least I did came.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for talking to me. It was so nice, and I'm hoping to see you next time. Actually, tomorrow. I'm gonna keep the same thing. Cheers, guys. So this, I feel like this is the chef. This is the chef doing everything. Oh, I missed someone this side. I feel like this one is the one who cleans the dishes. How's it guy? So you're the one who cleans the dishes here. How's the job? How's the job? It's hectic. So this side, I feel like this is where they do things. This is where they do everything. That's where they do most food and everything. I don't know who to talk to. I see a beautiful coffee machine here. I don't know how to use it. I wish I knew how to use it. I was going to use it. So, let me see. Let's check it my house. Hi, check it out. I'm very good. I really like to talk to you since I found you in the kitchen. I feel like, can you please tell them what you do in the kitchen? Like, they don't know who you are, they don't know what you're doing here. So, there's a lot of people watching. Please talk to them. So, and what? Americano. Oh, Americano, guys, they call it Magna cum laude. They say this size is magna cum laude, guys. Magna cum laude. Wow. Summa. And this size, guys, they say it's summa cum laude. Summa cum laude, guys. So, guys, it has my name on it! Guys, thank you, Muppet, for a nice cup of cappuccino. Muppet in my name. Guys, if you want this type of coffee, cool it. Was a video enjoy. Taste the for the coffee. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Let's continue. There's a gentleman passing up and going up and down here. Let's ask him. Say, how are you? I'm fine. I'm an entertainer, and I feel like you are going up and down. Yes. Please tell people, what are you doing? What's your job in this country?
I am running around like a headless chicken here because I am in charge of the kitchen staff here. I'm taking care of them, and I'm also assisting on the team here. But we've got our main chef here, the main chef of the day, who prepared the menu of the day. So he can just outline to us as to what is it that he prepared for the day.
Oh, main chef, how's it? I'm good. I am very well. Please tell the people there, what is it that you planned for today's menu?
Grilled chicken, barbecue, grilled steak, pap, dumpling, brown pap, salad, chakalaka, coleslaw. That's all. Thank you, Mr. Chef. Thank you. I hope you're doing a great job because I see the people are packed out there. Yeah. I see the gentleman with the black. Oh, I spoke to him. I spoke to him. Hey, this is the one. I thought we spoke to him, but he looks the same as someone who just composed it. I'm alright. I spoke to someone looking exactly like you. He explained that his job is to look around the kitchen stuff and for the children. So since you're also in the kitchen, please talk to my job was very how you people. My job is very simple. Just dish the meal. Dish. I take the orders. I dish the meal. Dish. My people are very happy about my presentation of the meal. So all those platters you're seeing, you are the one. That's me. I'm behind all the platters. Oh wow. Yes. I'm doing platters. Chef platter. Oh, you're doing it. Number one. Thank you. Please can the other one come so that you don't say you got shaxed. No, you're not shaxed. You're not shaxed. Yeah. This is life. This is the kitchen. What's happening? Platter expert. Till and kitchen expert. Platter specialist. Which one? Oh, guys. You know, guys. One is platter, one is till. So guys, this one. Hi, how are you, sir? I see you're trying to touch the camera, you're trying to hide under your own skin. You can't do that. Sir, how are you? I'm great. And I'm just going to talk to you. Okay. Tell the people out there.
Hi, Zakes speaking. Just busy with the team. That is my department. Just to make sure that people are happy, people get served proper meals, and then people see the good work that we are bringing, the vibe that we are trying to plant around the environment surrounding here.
Guys, Zakes likes black colors. He's dark. He's wearing dark colors. Dark shoes. Guys, what's wrong with the Zakes, guys? So, are you supposed to people getting a nice vibe here? Are you making sure that they enjoy it?
Yeah, to me, Zakes like there are people that are making sure that if there's something that the people need, they really attend to. The aim is to give people comfort, a very chill out space for people must just enjoy.
I've seen your plates, like the presentation is quite good. So you are doing a very good job. Thank you. I feel like we've covered everyone in the kitchen, guys. So from the kitchen, from my kitchen, guys, I'm gonna guys, from the kitchen. One person leaving their food out, which means they really cook good. Everyone finished their I've seen this girl finishing a platter alone, so you can imagine that the food is really it's hot around here. This is where they do the most, right? So I can feel the heat. Guys, come to my Zakes
next to UJ DFC, guys. Come to Zakes, enjoy yourselves. Good music, good vibe, good food. Everything is good this side. So if you want a great place to come and chill, eat, meet new people, and do everything that you ever wanted to do, come to Zakes. It's a very great vibe. Zakes, taste the benefit.